Hi guys, today is my 11th day here in Rogers Clinic. So today I came here for hair treatment. They actually do some therapy for my hair follicles so that it will be easier for my hair follicles to promote growth actually. Yeah, so during this treatment it was really calm and it was really relaxing, and I feel nice. All the staff here are very helpful, and then it's very relaxing. So you guys should try. And then Glojus, I believe in Glojus because Glojus, they have this American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery, especially Dato Dr. JasG. Right, this is the only one in Malaysia. So especially when you want to do something personal, you know, like your hair. Like me, I'm having like male pattern baldness, hair receding. I think it's best for me to go for the best, you know, and people that really has these qualifications to do things that is very personal to me. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Let's see what's going to happen after this.